Okay, so you got your brand new GoPro Hero 10 for vlogging, and you've decided to step your game up with your sound, and you want to know, do I need the media mod? Do I need a microphone? And if so, which microphone? So today we're going to be talking about Rode microphones and which Rode to take. Let's get started. In today's video, we're going to talk about using the GoPro Hero 10 as a vlogging camera. And this is all about sound. We're not doing any video stuff, but what we're going to do is a comparison of the internal microphones for the Hero 10, then we're going to use the media mod, then we're going to do the wireless go, and then we're going to do the Rode Video Micro to help you decide which is the best microphone for you. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get on to our first test. Okay, and so here we are, standing in the front yard on a very windy day. And we are with the GoPro Hero 10 and the media mod. How does this sound? Is this something that you could use in one of your vlogs? What we're going to do now is I'm going to take the media mod off and we're going to test the GoPro just by itself with the built-in mics. And the wind setting, because it's so windy today, is set on auto, so we'll see how that does. And here we are with the GoPro with the built-in internal mics. No external mic whatsoever. This is what you get right out of the box. How does this sound compared to the media mod or the wireless go? Is it a big enough difference to justify spending the extra money and having the extra clutter of adding external microphones? That's for you to decide. Let's switch over to the wireless go. Okay, and now we are on the Rode Wireless Go, which is sure to be the best sounding because it's a very personal mic. It's right here on my chest. So of course it's the closest to my mouth. It's going to sound the best, but here's the downside to a personal mic. It's only mainly going to pick up you. If you're filming other people or other events, it's not going to do so great. But if you're only worried about your audience hearing just what you're saying and not others, then it might be the best choice, but it also comes at a price. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Video Micro. And now we're on the Rode Video Micro. How does this sound compared to the other microphones and the internal microphone? I do have the dead cat on it, but I'm also in linear mode, so you can't see the fuzzies that are just right here off screen. That's the downside to having a bigger microphone stick out on a GoPro. The wide of view is so big, a lot of the times when you make sudden movements, you'll get the little fuzzies in your view. How does this sound? Does it sound good enough for your vlogs? Are you willing to overcome the shortcomings? And is it that much better than the built-in internal mics to justify having the microphone on it? That's for you to decide. Let me know. Man, is it cold out there for Florida. It's like 40 degrees and I'm wearing short sleeves and shorts. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Now I wanna do a quick shout out to some gentlemen that are constantly shouting me out, and they have amazing channels and can give you great information. And that would be My Gig User, that would be Fishy Comics, and that would be Ohio Fred and the How To Guy. And of course, I don't want to forget Red Dragon and Legat de Cluj LDC. I don't know if I said that right. I'm pretty sure he's in Romania. He does a lot of really cool drone videos. Red Dragon, he does a lot of bike stuff and how-to videos. I will leave links to all these channels down below. They all do GoPro related stuff. As a matter of fact, My Gig User, he just froze his GoPro in a chunk of ice. And if you have any firmware issues or want to know how to change your firmware, you need to go see Fishy Comics. So with all that being said, just drop a comment down below which microphone sounded the best to you, and is it worth it to you to have the external mic, or was the internal mic good enough? I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.